Did you know God once sent so much food from the sky that it covered the ground 3 feet deep? In the hot desert of Sinai, 2 million hungry people were crying out to God. Children were weeping from hunger. Cooking fires were dying out. The people complained to Moses, saying they had no meat to eat. Moses prayed to God for help. Then God made an amazing promise. He said he would send meat for a whole month. Suddenly the sky grew dark with millions of quail birds. They came down like a gentle storm, covering the entire camp as far as anyone could see. The birds were piled 3 feet high everywhere. Families ran out with baskets, gathering more food than they ever imagined. Children laughed with joy. Parents wept with thankfulness. Where there was once hunger, now there was a feast that lasted for weeks. God turned their empty desert into a place of plenty. When we trust God, He provides more than we could ever dream possible.